Turning to the sewage crisis, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has agreed to investigate the potential health risks connected to the wastewater flowing into the Tijuana River and across the border into San Diego County. Our Jamie Chambers joins us live from Imperial Beach tonight with more on what the agency is looking at. Jamie?
Phil, this has just been an incredibly difficult problem to deal with. And after hundreds of millions of dollars spent by Congress in 2020, the problem seems to be getting worse and worse, and the health effects affecting the folks that live right here in Imperial Beach. The sewage problem in Imperial Beach stands undefeated. And even after Congress passed $300 million in 2020 to help mitigate the sewage flowing through the Tijuana River Valley, according to former IB Mayor Serge Dedina, it's getting worse.
45 to 50 million gallons a day in the river and all the canyons, which is unprecedented in the summer. So people are really feeling or smelling the stench, and they're also getting really sick.
Now the Center for Disease Control has launched an investigation into the health effects on the untreated toxic waste streaming across the border from Mexico to the U.S. But locals say it doesn't take the CDC's investigation to identify the problem.
I've lived here now 2 years, and I've had to go to the doctor because I've had like upper respiratory bacterial infections, and it's because of this.
Former Mayor Dedina says he personally understands the health costs of living in IB.
So the illnesses I've experienced and the subsequent 2 sinus surgeries, all kinds of chronic ear problems, and then gastrointestinal infections, absolutely tied to surfing in Imperial Beach.
With the support of the San Diego congressional delegation, the CDC might be able to help add to the urgency of the problem that's plagued the border city for decades. But Dedina says the support needs to come all the way from the top and every direction in between to cure the biggest environmental disaster on the West Coast.
It's great the CDC is responding, but we need Governor Newsom to declare a state of emergency. We need President Biden to declare a state of emergency, and we need to get the show on the road and get some work done to fix this problem.
The CDC investigation is expected to take between 6 months and a year. Former Mayor Dedina says he hopes that extra pressure, understanding what it's doing to the folks here in IB, will cause more and more pressure on Mexico to correct their sewage plant systems and their failures to finally, once and for all, take care of these issues. That's the very latest from Imperial Beach. I'm Jamie Chambers. Phil, we'll send it back to the studio.
All right, Jamie.